Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a metallic spoons by using Blender 4.3, and this is a 3D modeling process. I'm going to show you all the step by step how to make this. First I'm just going to delete everything, and I will just add a UV sphere this way, and then at here I will just go to the edit mode. In the edit mode here, then I'm going to just turn this the wireframe mode, and I'm going to delete a few layers this way. Right, then just press delete all of the vertices, then turn this on again. Look at this shape and press A, move it up, then just have a look. From Z, just reshape it, shape it in a better way. Right, then next we are going to just extrude part of it. Right, so now I select the edges this way, then I select these two and just press E to extrude it out, and press Y to just make it better this way. Then next, just check it. We are going to make everything neat and tidy. Just move this Z, and then make sure it is tidy. Then press E to extrude it. Before that, just select the edges, these two. Then press E and press Y to extrude it. You may just press S to make it bigger. Press E, Y. Right. Then, if you want to change the direction, you may just bend it a little bit in that way. And at here, next, you may just back to the object mode. From the object mode here, you may want to just make it more smooth. You can just come to here, select these two, just press Ctrl B and click here. Then here choose the vertices, the width, you can re-choose it, the segment, make it smooth in that way. Alright, once done already, back to the object mode here. Right click, Shape Auto Smooth. Then we are going to make it have some metallic effect. Click here. Go to material, just add a new material. The base color is already white color. You can add some metallic, and the roughness, if you want it to have some reflection. Then you may want to make it have some thickness. Now it doesn't have any thickness yet. Just go to the modifier, just add a modifier, name it as the Solidify. Then you can adjust the thickness, choose even thickness. In that way. Now it already have some thickness. Then the offset, you can choose 0. Now everything already have the shape. Now you back to the edit mode now, and check again if everything so far so good. Now it already become a metallic spoon, and it already have the correct shape. If you click here, you may see the whole spoon with its own shape. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a spoon 3D model just by using the Blender 4.3. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!